Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that's completely changing the game for software developers, GitHub Copilot. So, what exactly is it? Think of it as your AI pair programmer, a brilliant assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI that lives right inside your code editor. It suggests code, completes functions, and can even write entire algorithms in real time. By learning from billions of lines of public code, Copilot helps you code faster, smarter, and with fewer repetitive tasks. Whether you're a seasoned pro, a student just starting out, or part of a large development team, Copilot is designed to supercharge your productivity. Let's rewind a bit. GitHub Copilot burst onto the scene in 2021, and it was a massive leap forward. Before Copilot, autocomplete tools were pretty basic, mostly just suggesting syntax. But Copilot, powered by OpenAI's advanced codex model, started offering entire blocks of context-aware code. It wasn't just guessing the next word, it was understanding your intent. Since then, it has evolved rapidly, integrating seamlessly into popular IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains, and expanding its support for a huge range of programming languages. It has transformed from a cool tech demo into an indispensable tool for professional and enterprise developers. So, how does this magic actually work? It's all thanks to a massive large language model trained on a universe of public code from GitHub. When you're coding, or even just writing a comment describing what you want to do, Copilot analyzes the context of your file, the code you've already written, the language you're using, and your overall project structure. Based on that context, it predicts and suggests the most relevant code snippets. You can see these suggestions right in your editor, and with a single keystroke, you can accept, reject, or even cycle through different options. It's like having a brainstorming session with an AI that never gets tired, helping you generate everything from simple boilerplate to complex functions. The applications are incredibly versatile. Of course, there's the lightning-fast code auto-completion, which can suggest everything from single lines to entire functions. But it's also a powerful tool for generating complex algorithms and data structures from scratch. Stuck on how to write a sorting algorithm or parse a specific file type? Just write a comment and Copilot will offer a solution. It even helps with documentation by generating comments and docstrings, making your code easier for others and your future self to understand. For students and junior developers, it's an amazing learning aid, showing best practices and correct syntax in real time. It even supports debugging by suggesting potential fixes for your code. And with support for languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, Go, and many more, it's a true polyglot programmer's companion. Naturally, with any powerful AI, we have to talk about the potential risks. First, the code it generates isn't always perfect. It can sometimes have subtle bugs or security vulnerabilities, which is why human oversight is absolutely crucial. There are also intellectual property concerns. Since it's trained on public code, there's a small chance it might suggest snippets that are under restrictive licenses. And perhaps the biggest concern is over-reliance. If we depend on it too much, could it weaken our own problem-solving skills? The key is to use it as an assistant, not a replacement. Always review, test, and understand the code it generates. Think of it as a tool to augment your skills, not automate your thinking. So, how do you get the most out of Copilot? First, be descriptive. The clearer your comments and function names, the better the suggestions will be. Treat it like you're giving instructions to a junior developer. Second, always review its suggestions. Don't just blindly accept the code. Check it for accuracy, efficiency, and security. Third, use it to handle the boring stuff. Let Copilot write the boilerplate, the repetitive functions, and the boilerplate tests, so you can focus your brainpower on complex architecture and creative problem-solving. By combining Copilot speed with your human expertise, you'll unlock a new level of productivity. Looking ahead, The future of GitHub Copilot is incredibly exciting. We can expect even more sophisticated AI reasoning, allowing it to tackle highly complex enterprise-level challenges. Imagine it helping with real-time, AI-assisted code reviews or integrating with diagrams and other visual tools to generate code from a design. These advancements will solidify Copilot's place as an essential part of the modern developer's toolkit, making software development more collaborative, efficient, and innovative than ever before. It's not just about writing code faster, it's about empowering developers to build better software and solve bigger problems. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content on the latest in tech and development. Let me know in the comments how you're using GitHub Copilot in your projects. Until next time, happy coding!